Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and you are watching my YouTube channel as the reader. Today is day 22 and my English speaking practice, and the topic is some things that can change your life completely. Never give up. This is not just a motivational line, this is a rule that every successful person in the world follows. If you really want to achieve something in your life, then these simple lines must stay in your minds every single day. This is not just a motivational line, I just repeat again. This is not just a motivational line, it is a rule that every successful person in the world follows. If you really want to achieve something in your life, then these simple lines must stay in your mind every single day. Never give up. This life is not easy for anyone. Everyone has problems. Some people are struggling to get a good job. Some are working hard work to improve their skills. Some want to learn English. Some want to support their family better, and some people are simply trying to survive a difficult day. But the truth is, no matter how big the problems is, giving up is never the solutions. Whenever you feel like a guilting, remember that every successful person has failed the same way. There were moments when they also wanted to give up, but they did not stop. They continued. They trust the progress and believed in your themselves self. And today people called them successful. Let me tell you something from my heart. Success needs time. It's really success needs time. It needs patience, it needs discipline, and most importantly it needs the mindset that say, I will keep going no matter what. I will keep going no matter what. Think about a seed. When you plant a seed, you don't see a plant the next day. You water it daily, you protect it, give in sunlight, you wait, and slowly, very slowly, seeds breaks through the soil and become a plant. But before the growth, the seed had stay underground in darkness. This is the same in our life. Before you see success, you have to go through some darkness, some silence, some struggles, and this phase is not your ending, it's your preparation. Many times people quit right before they are about to succeed. They don't realize that they were only one step from away their breakthrough. But they lose hope, they stop living, they quit. And once you quit, the journey ends. But if you continue, even for one more day, one more weeks, one more months, you might reach a place you never imagined. I want to tell you guys something that I personally follow. Whatever life gets difficult, I tell myself, Ashish, if you don't stop, you will have to start. You will have to start again from zero. But if you continue, you will grow. This one sentence motivates me to keep moving ahead. You should also create one line for yourself, a line that gives you power, a line that pushes you forward, a line that reminds you of your strength. Because the truth is, You are stronger than your problems. You are bigger than your failure. You are capable of winning any challenges. Never give up of learning. Sorry. Never give up on learning. Never give up on your goal. Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on yourself. Someday will you good, someday you will be bad. Some days you will feel motivated, some days you will feel tired, but consistency is more important than motivational. Even if you take a small step every day, you will still reach your destination one day. Slow growth is still growth. Sometimes people will not support you. Sometimes they will not believing in yourself. Sometimes they will laugh at your dreams. But remember that you are not doing this for them. You are doing yourself. You are doing this for yourself. Your success is your responsibility. Your dreams are your responsibility. You are very grateful of person, and your journey is very responsibility journey. Okay, so failure will come, that is guarantee, but failure are not meant to stop yourself. They are meant to guide you. They teach you what you need to improve. They show you the right path. They shape your character. So don't be afraid of falling. Be afraid of not trying. Many great people failed hundreds of times before becoming a successful person, but they did not quit. That is why they are remembered today. And you too can write your success story if you refuse to give up. Whenever you feel low, remind yourself of this line: the moment you decide not give up, that moment you start winning. So my friends, keep moving forward, keep growing, keep fighting, and keep believing in yourself. No matter how slow your progress in, no matter how many challenges you feel, just don't stop. This was day 22 of my English speaking practice. I hope your words inspire you, motivate you, and give you strength to continue your journey. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Ashish, and you are watching As the Reader. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and remember, never give up. Thank you so much.